how to increase or decrease the text size on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to your clock face by pressing on the crown button. Then press on the crown button again to go into the home screen. Next, tap on the settings button. In the settings app, we scroll down and then tap on display and brightness. Next, tap on text size, and then you can use the crown button. So turn on the crown button to decrease or increase the text size. You can also tap on the text size icon on the left hand side or the right hand side to increase or decrease the text size. And that's it. So select a text size and then tap on the back key or press on the crown button to return back to the clock face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.